How's it going, everybody? First off, I want to let you know that this is not our typical listing video where everything is pretty and done and ready to go. This one is for someone that wants a fixer-upper, a project house, or a tear down. But at the same time, I think you're gonna feel this one is very unique. But before we get into it, my name is Darin Bjerknes with Minnesōtan, brokered by eXp. And if you have questions on this house or with your real estate needs, my contact information is below. Now, before we go inside, we're outside of 1309 Knollwood Lane in Mendota Heights, Minnesota. This is a beautiful neighborhood surrounded by homes from the 700s up to $1 million homes. It's minutes to downtown St. Paul and close to parks and shopping. If you're looking for a house with a private lot with no homes directly behind you, this home is for you. Let's go in the backyard and check it out. As you can see, you're gonna have plenty of wildlife back here. For me, just being here, I've seen deer, wild turkeys, eagles, and tons of birds. Also, I think with this layout, you have an opportunity to maybe build a walkout basement if you were to knock down this house. But make sure to check with the city with your building plans just to be sure. All right, I think we're ready to head inside, and I hope you're prepared to step back in time to the year 1979. Now, the homeowner has made some repairs throughout the years, but most of the home is in its original state, even the appliances. Now, this home is being sold as is, which means the seller won't be doing any repairs, but you still are able to have your own inspection. All right, let's head inside. Like I said before, this home is in need of a lot of repairs, so keep that in mind as we're walking through. We've got a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-car garage. Right now we're standing in the 2-story foyer. As we make our way to the right, in the sunken, formal living room, I want to point out one thing. Have you seen blinds like this? Probably not. If not, probably not in a while. Connected to the formal living room, rather, we walk into the formal dining room that has hardwood floors and has beautiful views of the wooded backyard. And this way is to the original kitchen. Now take a look here. We've got the original appliances that are still kicking after 43 years of age. We've got double ovens, a trash compactor, the dishwasher, and the cooktop. We're lucky if appliances last 5 to 7 years today. And if this was my house, I would knock down all these cabinets. I would open that wall, structural in mind, of course, and open it up so we have a much more modern feel and layout. Leaving the kitchen and informal dining area, we've got a preview up to where we're heading next. Walking down a half flight of stairs, and we're in the great room. I can imagine this space being an entertainer's dream in its day. We've got the vaulted ceilings, wood fireplace, beautiful views of the backyard, a little wet bar area. It's an entertainer's dream. Walking back up a half flight of stairs, we have the half bathroom, another half flight of stairs, and we have the loft area and the owner's suite. Up another half flight of stairs, and we're getting our steps in. We've got the 2nd level laundry room, bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, bedroom number 4, as well as the bathroom that services those bedrooms. Now heading all the way downstairs, we've got the large utility room and the family room that needs quite a bit of work. So I hope you've been keeping an open mind with this rehab project house. Again, you can knock it down or make it your own. If you have any questions or want to see it yourself, please let me know. I'd love to get you inside. If you'd like your home featured like this one, let me know and I'll do the same thing for you. We'll see you on the next one.